What's up, guys? Your girl Beauty Barada here. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am so excited. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to all who subscribed. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so you know whenever I post my videos. I'm so excited, guys, and I promise that whenever I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to drop a video. And now I am dropping this video. So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do your thumbnail. If you're new, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So I'll be using the app Phonto for everything. So you go to your app and then you have to choose the size of the YouTube actually the YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 by 720. So you have to go to custom image and then you have to choose, go to custom image, choose the width and the height. You have to do that by yourself. So I'll be doing a 1280 by 720. That is the actual the size for thumbnail on YouTube. So then you have to choose that. From here you have so many colors. If you want any color on your thumbnail, you have so many colors to choose from, but I'll just be going with black. So on then you click use. You have all these options: use and save, use, save. I just click on use and then it shows me here. I tap on that button by the left and then I choose my photos that I want to be in my thumbnail. So you click on add image. That's where you get to, and then you get to choose your photos. Let me say I'm using this I'm just using this as an example. So let me say this is the picture I want, and then when you click on it, you have where you can set your sizes and everything, the way you want it to be, the width, everything. And on this app too, this is where I write names, like anything. I write on this app too. I write with this app. So whatever you want to do, you can also do it on this app. You do practically everything on this app. Phonto is just the bomb. I really love this app. So I've put it to the size I want it to be, and then this is it. Then you can just tap anywhere around and just like that, and it shows you add text, and then you go to add text and you put whatever you want to put. So now I'll just be putting maybe how to do a triangle part. I'm just showing you guys how you can play around with it, do whatever you want with it. Do whatever you want with it, guys. Play around with it. How to do the triangle parts. So that's it. You can, from here, if you tap on the text, it will show you so many options, like the style, the font, the text, the size and everything, to tilt it, practically anything you want to do. So I'll just be adjusting the size, and then the style you can do just to choose the color you want. There's so many things you can do on this app, guys. There are so many things. I recommend this app 100%. You need this app in your life. You need this app in your editing life. Okay, so here these are the fonts. So you choose any fonts you want, just play around with it, choose whatever you want, do whatever. When it gets to choosing a font, I actually get confused. There are so many beautiful fonts and I don't even know which one to choose. I just go over and over and over and over till I get something. I'm like, okay, let me settle with this. So I guess it happens to everybody. So I'll be getting a font and then we can move forward from there. So here, this is where you have the styles, where you want your text to be. If you want it to have any strokes, if you want the background, however, whatever you want to do with it. So this is where you do all that. So I just recommend you play around with it, do whatever works best for you. Like, you have so many options, guys, you have so many options to choose from, so choose whatever you want. So these are the several options. You just have play around with it, like do whatever you want. So let's say this is what I want, you just place it wherever you want to place it. I'm trying to adjust the size so it fits in the box, like it doesn't go out of the picture. So you have to like try to adjust it so it fits in. So I will then go to save image. You have so many options here: save as png, save, and I just go to, if you want to send it to someone through Facebook, through WhatsApp, Messenger, but I just go to save image and then saved successfully. And this is it, guys. You go back to your camera roll and then you get to see your picture. This is your thumbnail, guys. It is ready and you can use it. I actually do my add my thumbnail through the YT Studio. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll be see you guys in the next video. I'll be showing another, I'll be getting another video, guys. I'll be making another video, so you guys should just stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.